this is your boy Fat Tater coming at you live with a tire repair using a plug kit. I finally got a screw in the tire in my truck here, and I had made a video before about how easy it is and stop going to people for it because you could do it yourself. So I make a live demonstration and show you how it's done. So right here I got a screw in the tire. If you can see that, I put a screwdriver on there hoping I could just back it out with a screwdriver, but it won't. It's just too wore out. But I heard hissing and stuff, so I definitely went all the way through. I was kind of hoping it was a small screw. So I usually use like a needle nose pliers. As you can hear it, I don't know if you can hear it, but air is starting to come out with me just prying on it. And being a little bitch. There it comes. Got a little hissing. Little hiss. Now you are going to lose some air doing it, so definitely have an air compressor ready before you even attempt it. Or be somewhere that has an air compressor. So now you take your reamer. Just shove it in the hole. If you can. And it's going to be really hard to do. You're gonna have to really force it down in there. I need to turn my steering wheel on it, so let me do that real quick. Otherwise I ain't gonna get my hand in there. There we go, now we can really get at it. Alright, so we got the reamer in there. You want to keep going in and out to get it nice and smooth. And then you want to have your plug ready to go in the plug tool. And then you want to go straight on with it. Whew. I'll have to get up on this one. Once it goes in, it'll go all the way in, so you got to be careful. Oh, I just bent it. Bent another tool. And them car tires are tough. Now, I heard someone told me that you can lube it up with some oil to go in easier. But I don't know. Never tried it, but he says it works, the guy I was talking to. But we're gonna try it without it. Might need to ream that out a little more, I don't know. Sounds like the hole is pretty big. And keep pushing. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to ream that out some more. Oh yeah, you can hear the hole got a lot bigger now. Let's see if we can get it. Almost. Whew. You gotta definitely put your purse down for it. I don't think I got that one in there right. It's all gummed up. And I may have. I'm gonna try to shove it in there more with it. Just like that. I need to slice it off with the tool, a little cutting knife it comes with, like a razor blade. And that's it. Hope y'all enjoy. Fat Tater out.